at a sewage plant somewhere far away. Let me turn the light on. And I can't. Right, so as we wait on the electrician, we'll go over some of the oil. In your gear chamber, you have 80-90 gear oil, which is the equivalent to EP220. This is somewhere here. Just the same gear oil. You might even find it in like a Volkswagen manual shifter. In fact, I think it is the identical one. You also have two chambers here as well. You have another 1-to-1 gear, and you have a buffer chamber, both 80-90 gear oil. Rotoray Lobe pump, designed and made in Germany, assembled in USA. Meant to handle sludge and other solids. Paper, pulp, all different things. Got an oil canister where you fill with oil and keep pressurized, which keeps the seal chamber pressurized. You can elaborate if anybody has questions. There's a front door on which you access the lobes, and once the lobes are out, you remove a wear plate, and from the wear plate you can remove seals. These pumps pump in both directions, forward and reverse. This is a 7.5 horsepower motor, 8.1 amps, 575 volts, 1770 RPM. It's got the flow rate of, let's see if I can get a picture of this, of the numbers here. Let's see, is that clear? Can handle 260 GPM. All right, I'll hit the button to record once again. That's a gearbox connected directly to the motor. I'll pause it for now, and hopefully we get to see this bad boy running. Okay, thank you. All right, so as we wait on the electrician, we'll go over some of the oil. In your gear chamber, you have 80-90 gear oil, which is the equivalent to EP220. This is somewhere here. Just the same gear oil. You might even find it in like a Volkswagen manual shifter. In fact, I think it is the identical one. You also have two chambers here as well. You have another 1-to-1 gear, and you have a buffer chamber, both 80-90 gear oil. And here we have a larger version of the same thing. What you have actually is 4 lobes as opposed to 2, because it's a high pressure application. You could have 1 lobe, 2 lobe sets. Actually, you're gonna have 8 by the look of that. That would be an 8 lobe system by the look of it. So this is a real high pressure pump. Again, here we'll go down and see what we can get for flow on this bad boy here. That's that's 840 GPM. Here's the larger pump running. As you can hear, very, very quiet. It's not full speed. It's at 1100 RPM. The top speed of this pump is 1770. And this is it at top speed, much louder. So anyways, that pump pumps through here, through this pipe, out through that one, and normally into the tank of a truck, and this would all be sludge, aka poop, and the poop would be transferred from here to somewhere else for processing. I wouldn't go frontwards, buddy, but
Still fucking rocks coming out. Eh?
47.6.
47.